Hello guys, welcome to Happy India channel. Today we are going to review about Apollo hand sanitizer liquid. Guys, this is not traditionally gel sanitizer. This is a liquid sanitizer from the Apollo brand. You can see here Apollo Live, and this comes within the two packages. One is in 5 liter, one is in the 500 ml. Sorry, this is a 500 ml one, and this is a 5 liter one. This cost around $1000, and this is cost around 250 rupees. This is the 500 ml guys, and this is the 5 liter, and the 5 liter is much more cheaper than this one traditional 250 ml. It's a 2000 rupees, and you will get a discount on this around 10% discount in the store, and this one also will get around 10% discount in the store only, or you can buy from the Apollo app also. I have purchased these two from the Apollo app. I'll put the links in the below in the description. You can, if you want to purchase, you can purchase it. Then coming to the product thing, and coming to the composition guys, there are a few changes between the 5 liter one and 250 ml one. If it comes to the closer, you can see here there is a 70% of ethyl alcohol, unpurified water, and brilliant blue, and there is a chlorohexidine glucone solution IP 2.5 VV. But if you come to the composition of the 5 liter one, you can see the ethyl alcohol is 80% over here, and the glycerin is added, and hydroperoxide and perfume and water. But here they mentioned, for the 250 ml, the water is for ethyl alcohol and purified water, and ethyl alcohol is only just 70%. But it comes to the 5 liter one, ethyl alcohol is 80%. But the only some slight of composition changes is available between 250 ml and 5 liter. But the both smell very good. It smells better than any sanitizer I have ever used, and it's moisturizer guys. It will not dry your hands, it will moisturize the things also. And it's not only for the hands, we can use for the products like your keys or your phone to sanitize it. It will do for that one also. And this cost, I have already informed the cost is, this one 500 ml cost around 250 rupees, and the 10% discount will be available, and this cost 1000 rupees. This also 10% discount is available from the app or from the store. Please check it out. But I like, but the slightly composition change for this 80%. This is 70% of alcohol thing. But you can see it's very great, guys. I love this smell actually. It's very nice, and it's very useful. And nowadays it's very useful due to the COVID is very high in India. We have to use most of best sanitizers, and you know that if you use more alcohol sanitizers, your hands will get dry and some infections. But these have some added moisturizer also, so your hands will not get dry mostly, and it's and smells good. And it's not only for the hands, we can use for some for your keys and for phones also, to surface touch also. So this is about the review of Apollo hands liquid sanitizer. If you like this product, you can buy. I have given the links in the description. Please check before buying it, and if you have any doubts, please comment us so I can reply on that one. Thank you for watching Happy India channel. Have a nice day.